how to go on a live stream on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just follow with me until the end, please. First step is go to patreon.com and then log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go right here under your name and click on new post. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is click on live stream. And here you go. Now you can choose which stream that you want, which platform that you want to use for the live stream. You can choose YouTube, it's free, or here you have some paid platforms like Vimeo or Crowdcast. And yeah, after you choose, I'm gonna choose, for example, use YouTube Live. And yeah, here you can, as you can see, start unlisted YouTube live stream. From here, type or paste your URL. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end.